Mute tab has become one of my favorite Chrome extensions. Chrome browser used to allow you to right click on a tab and choose to mute tab. Now the only option is to mute site, which means that if I mute this YouTube site, when I come to another tab to listen to a YouTube video, I'm not going to be able to hear it because I've muted the entire site. This is where the mute tab extension is helpful. Hopefully someday Google will bring back both options and give you mute side and mute tab as an option. But for now, what will happen is when my YouTube video is playing, or any website, you'll see in the tab up top the little sound icon. Once this tab is selected, I just click on my extension in the upper right hand corner, and that now mutes this tab. That would allow me then to come to another YouTube tab and actually play this
menu on the left hand side.
So that is a great little extension. If you want to unmute the tab, you would just click the M again. This is also very helpful. Let me pause that. This is also very helpful when you are doing Google Meet breakouts. Perhaps you're not using the feature within the Google Meet itself because you want to be able to monitor all 4 rooms at the same time or multiple rooms. So when you mute the site, it mutes all of your Google Meets. The mute tab allows you just to mute the ones that you are not currently in. So you can see I'm using this one in the upper left-hand corner because my little extension does not have an M by it. But when you look at the other 3 rooms, they have an M on there. So as I move to different rooms, all I'd have to do is click the mute on this tab, then I come to this tab and I unmute it here. There are several mute tab extensions out there. So the other one that I like as well is this one, mute tab. I'll include both of those links in the description.